He's got the hiccups.
Who has the hiccups?
Look at those eyes. Yay!
Silas.
They can see their eyes.
Who's holding you?
Let's look at that fan.
That's funny. Look up again. That's funny. You guys look alike.
We take an ordinary voicemail and
Hey Lucas, who you holding?
Introducing enhanced voicemail from Bright House Network.
Silas.
It lets you read and listen to messages
Who is
left
it?
in
Your
the Bright
son?
House voicemail through email and text messages. Voicemail
What?
email lets you listen to voicemail in email by opening an attachment.
Pooping?
And voicemail
That's your
text
poop face?
allows you to read your transcribed voicemails on a mobile
That's your poop
device
face?
or in an email message.
Silas.
I think this is the first time we're getting
Or wherever you
your,
are.
whoa,
Whoa.
your eyes.
We make voicemail easy.
Silas D'Angelo. Silas D'Angelo.
Whee! That's that clear call.
Silas. Silas. Hi.
He looked for a second.
Okay, he looks up. He likes the fan. What's going on?
How Lily is.
Hi.
Head to my hand.
He's looking at your hand like, what the heck? Silas.
There's something to be said for the old,
Hey, Silas.
if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But sometimes,
Hi.
it's not being fixed, it's just being tweaked.
Those eyes.
That just makes something that's so perfect enough.
His little feetsies.
Check on him. His clothes on. He got a big toe. It's a big toe.
What I'm talking about here is...
I think that's more like your toes.
At Bunk Sandwiches in Portland, Oregon. It's better than the classic Cubano.
Hi.
This is like a redo. Way better.
Pair of toes.
Say, Dad, what are you doing to me?
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Pickles, cheese, and mustard.
Wait.
He winked.